Looks like some heavy snow, but I think people might be able to get those snowmen built this season.
Well, there might be some snowmen built around here over the next couple of days. We do have a winter storm on the way. We got a winter storm warning that goes into effect at 9 o'clock tomorrow, and we'll just have to see. We'll have some accumulating snow. The question is how much. So let's first of all, let's take a look at today and see what we did. Look at the almanac. Our high temperature today was 37, right where we ought to be. That's our normal high. 62 the record back in 1965. 30 the low, 17 the normal low, 15 below the record low back in 1971, and no precipitation to measure today. There will be tomorrow though, and probably the next day as well. So a lot of clouds in the area right now. We've got a little bit of snow up in northeastern Nebraska, and that's going to stay up there. But we've got a winter storm that's going to be approaching us. For right now, it's a pretty quiet evening. 35 is the temperature. The dew point 28, the humidity 76%, winds out of the east-southeast at 15. The barometer is steady. And around northwest Missouri and northeast Kansas, we got a breeze coming at us out of the east-southeast. That's helping to pull up some Gulf moisture. It's also helping to bring in some warmer air. We can use that when we're talking about a winter storm approaching. Right now, temperatures are in the low to mid 30s, 35 here in St. Joseph, 33 down in Kansas City, a little cooler over at Chillicothe and Trenton and Bethany where it's 31, same thing at Cameron, also up at Maryville, 32 at Rockport, 34 at Falls City. And in terms of low temperatures tonight, not going to drop a whole lot. Basically just going to stay right around 32-ish. So 30 here in St. Joseph, 32 at Maysville, Cameron, Trenton, basically just the low 30s tonight. Around the four states, 30s for the most part. It's 28 at Kirksville, 27 at Des Moines. A little colder out at Goodland. It's only 18 out there, 43 down at Joplin. Now, after tomorrow, once we get past tomorrow, then the temperatures become part of the story. So 31 on Tuesday, 34 the high on Wednesday, and then we just start going downhill. By Saturday, our high temperature is only going to be 13. I wish I could tell you that trend doesn't continue to Sunday, but it does. We're just going to be cold. Nationwide, lots of clouds, lots of weather. This unsettled weather out here is moving our direction, and that's what's going to give us some wintry precipitation beginning tomorrow. A lot of clouds right now, but let's take the clouds away and you can see all the watches and warnings. The pink shaded area is a winter storm warning. This is a winter weather advisory down here, way out western Kansas. It's a blizzard warning. But let's talk about what's around here closer to home. So we're looking at, with the winter storm warning in Missouri, the Weather Service is expecting 5 to 11 inches. 2 to 5 inches down here where it's a winter weather advisory. Let's drill that in a little closer to see the counties. So Buchanan County, Clinton County, Caldwell County, Livingston County, and north, basically 36 Highway and north is where the winter storm warning's in effect, and we're potentially looking at 5 to 11 inches of snow. It does look like the heavier totals are going to be as you go north, so up closer to the Iowa line. Probably not that's where you're going to be looking at the double-digit accumulations of snow. To the south, the totals will drop off fairly quickly, and in fact, in the southern part of Kansas City and beyond, maybe not even a couple of inches, but basically 2 to 5 inches in this winter weather advisory area. But it just all kind of depends on when it makes the changeover. So it's going to begin coming in to St. Joseph, into our area. We'll start seeing precipitation by 8, 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. It will probably come in as mixed precipitation. And this model has got it basically staying mixed through the day. But look, we're right on the line. So the pink shaded area is a mix of rain and snow. The green shaded is all rain. This is all snow to the north. We are just right here on the line. So it's just a matter of when it's going to make the changeover from rain snow mix to all snow. That's really going to impact our snowfall total. It will eventually become all snow, and when it does, it's going to stick around for a while through a good part of Tuesday. But by early Tuesday afternoon, it should begin to pull away from us, and by Tuesday night, we'll see our skies begin to clear. In terms of snowfall totals, we're looking at 4 to 9 inches of snow around St. Joseph area. Heavier totals to the north, lighter totals to the south, and again, that could shift a little bit, and it all depends on when it makes the changeover to all snow. Let's look at our forecast. Mostly cloudy tonight, down to 30 for an overnight low. It's going to be breezy, gusting up to 22 miles an hour. Tomorrow, winter storm warning goes into effect for St. Joseph and counties basically north of Highway 36 at 9 a.m. We've got a 100% chance of precipitation, likely start as a rain-snow mix and then turn to all snow. It's going to be very breezy. On Tuesday, we've got an 80% chance of snow, mainly in the morning. It's going to be very windy, out of the north, 31 for a high, 9 for a low Tuesday night. Then we dry out a little bit on Wednesday and Thursday, another chance of precipitation, but less of a chance. But look at the temperatures and what happens as we get to the weekend with temperature, nighttime lows below 0, daytime highs just in the teens. Joseph?